Hi, this is Kari Swanson. Even though we have temporarily paused gatherings, Centenary Church continues to serve our community. So, I wanted to show you how easy it is to continue your giving online via our website. So, the first thing you want to do is go to centenarychurch.net and then look here across our toolbars, and you're going to choose Giving. And when that page loads, my internet's a little slow today. You're going to scroll down. You'll see online giving through e-payment services, and see this blue area right here. It says click here to access our online giving. So you're going to click here. Now, this is our online giving page. If you've never given online before, you're going to want to create an online profile. So right here, you're going to click the box that says create profile. I'm going to create a profile right now. You're going to want to use your email address. This is just for purposes of showing you how it works. Use your personal email address. And then you're going to want to fill in your name, first name, and your last name and your address. Put in your phone number. This is the church's phone number. Your email address is already pre-populated from before. You're going to choose your password. Okay, and then create a profile. Now, when you log in again, you're going to log in with your email address and the password that you just created. Now, to give, you're going to click Add Transaction. And this window will come up. Here's where you do your regular tithes and offerings, gifts to the general fund. If you want to give to designated giving, there are options here, and also for missions. So I'm going to be a very generous person. I'm going to give $1,000. We have down here under donation frequency, you have the option of giving one time, which is just $1,000 today, or weekly, which would be $1,000 comes out once a week, or $1,000 comes out once a month. I'm going to choose one time. It populates to today's date, but if you click here on the calendar, you can choose a different future date to give. So let's say I get paid on the end of the month and I want to schedule that my payment comes out on the first of the month. I'm going to choose that and hit continue. Okay, because this person has never given before, they're going to have to set up their payment information for the first time. So they can choose either a credit debit card, a checking account, or savings account. If you choose a checking account, you're going to see this screen. It gives you an example of how to enter your check number, your routing number, and your account number. You'd enter that, and then you would click I am not a robot. And to make this $1,000 go through, you would click process right here. Now, if you're going to use a credit or a debit card, you do that, you choose new account, debit or credit card, and then you fill it out very similar to the way you do when you're doing online shopping. One thing I did want to point out is that debits and credit cards actually have a much higher processing charge than using your bank account does. It costs about 3% of fees to the bank. So if you give $1,000, then about $30 of that's going to go to the bank, and Centenary will get the net. So you do have the option of checking this box, and then it'll add 3% to your donation, so that you're donating $1,030. You're paying the transaction fee for the church, and the church gets the whole $1,000. Just wanted to point out that that's the way it works. Then again, you check the box that says, I am not a robot. And then you click process to make the donation go through. Okay, and then after you hit process, it's going to give you a confirmation. Take you back to the first screen. Then if you had given in the past, there would be a list of your previous transactions for your record, so that's pretty nice. And then see, Jane Doe is now logging off. Thanks, Centenary family. We're in this together in separate rooms.